The Samsung Galaxy S25 is set to be one of the most talked about phones of 2025, but is it really going to live up to the hype? With the excitement already building around Samsung's next flagship, it's clear that tech enthusiasts are eager to see what new features and improvements the S25 series will bring. However, the latest leaks and rumors suggest that while the phone will come with some updates, they might not be as revolutionary as expected. First off, it's important to note that Samsung appears to be sticking with a tried and tested approach for the Galaxy S25. While other brands may be making bold design changes or pushing new technologies, Samsung seems to be focusing on refining their current formula. Fans of the Galaxy S series will likely find the S25 to be a familiar device, with improvements that aim to make the user experience smoother rather than a complete overhaul. While that might not be exciting for those hoping for major innovation, it's a safe bet that loyal Galaxy users will appreciate these subtle changes. One of the most interesting aspects of the S25 release is Samsung's pricing strategy. While there was some speculation about a significant price increase, it looks like the Galaxy S25 will maintain the same price range as its predecessors, which is good news for anyone worried about affordability. There may even be a special offer for early adopters, with some leaks hinting at a storage upgrade promotion for those who pre-order the phone. As for the base model, it's expected that the S25 will feature the same storage options as the S24, so don't count on a major jump in storage capacity just yet. In terms of specs, the Galaxy S25 will likely come with some key upgrades, especially in performance. The phone will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, which will be used globally, following issues with the Exynos 2500 chip. This new processor is expected to deliver faster speeds and better overall performance, particularly when it comes to handling demanding apps and multitasking. The S25 series will also come with 12 gigabytes of RAM, a significant boost over the 8 gigabytes seen in previous models. When it comes to the camera, it looks like the Galaxy S25 series will offer incremental improvements rather than groundbreaking upgrades. For the S25 and S25 Plus, you can expect the same camera system as the previous models, though there may be minor tweaks to improve image quality, particularly with the new image signal processor, ISP, on board. The S25 Ultra, however, will feature an improved 50MP ultra-wide camera, a significant upgrade from the previous 12MP sensor. Still, despite these improvements, it's clear that the camera system won't be a huge departure from what we've seen before. As for the design, the S25 Ultra will feature slightly thinner bezels, but overall, there won't be any dramatic changes. The display will likely remain the same as the previous models, with a 120Hz refresh rate, and the battery capacity will stay the same as well. Charging speeds are expected to be capped at 45W for the Plus and Ultra models, while the standard S25 will stick to 25W charging speeds. One of the standout features of the S25 series will likely be its focus on AI. Samsung has been working to integrate more advanced AI capabilities into its devices, and the S25 will likely feature new tools aimed at improving user experience. That said, some reports suggest that these AI features may be delayed, possibly due to issues with the One UI 7 software. While the AI could improve things like photo processing and device optimization, it seems the major AI advancements will take some time to fully develop. Overall, the Galaxy S25 looks set to deliver another year of solid updates for Galaxy fans, though it might not be the groundbreaking release that some were hoping for. With improvements focused on refining the existing formula, the S25 series will likely appeal to existing users looking for a more polished experience. While it may not be the game changer many expected, it should still deliver a great performance and camera experience, all while keeping things familiar for those who already love the Galaxy lineup. We'll just have to wait and see if any surprises emerge before the official release. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.